Okay, so you're going to start out with a fluffy dome brush, and you're going to go into your charcoal gray color. You're going to start by packing this on the outer corner and then blending it into the crease. And then you're also going to kind of pull it up towards your temple, and it's going to have a nice pulled pointy cat eye effect. The reason we put the gray down first is because we're going to put black over it, and if you don't have something for the black to stick to, it won't blend very nicely. It'll look very muddy. Black is very hard to work with, so you have to take extra steps in order to make it look good. So after you've done that to the second eye, you will now go into the black with the same brush and start by packing this color first on the outer corner, as you can see me doing here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean that brush off, and I'm going in with no extra black, no extra product, and I'm just blending in that color that I had packed onto my outer corner. So all I'm doing is I'm blending what I already have on my eye so that I'm not putting excess amounts of black, because if you do that, it'll start looking really dirty. And then as you can see, I have a nice pulled up effect coming in towards my temple, nice and lifted. Now you're going to go into your gold shade, and you're going to take a flat packing brush, and you're going to put this on the main section of your lid, everywhere that we didn't put any product. So making sure that you put this all the way to the inner corner, and then blending it a little bit in with the black near our outer corner. Now you're going to go ahead and apply your base. So you need to put foundation. You can apply concealer if you want. If you're going to do that, you have to set your concealer, and then you can go ahead and move on to contouring if you're going to contour. And then you need to also apply bronzer. You will need to apply bronzer. So you need to have foundation for sure, bronzer for sure, all the extra if you want. And then now you have to apply your eyebrows. Everyone has to do this. Then you can apply highlight if you want. And then you also need to apply blush. I forgot to apply blush, but you will need to do that. Now you're going to go in with a pencil brush, and you're going to go back into your charcoal, and you're going to take this all the way across the bottom lash line, making sure that you go all the way to the inner corner and all the way back. Then you're going to take your pencil brush, and you're going to go into your black shade, and you're going to put this on the lower lash line, but you're only going to take this from the outer corner to about a third of the way in. So right below your pupil. Then you're going to go ahead and take a flat packing brush, and you're going to blend the lower lash line so that the black and the gray mix a little bit better, and also that it looks a lot more smoky and it's not so stark and blocky looking. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take liquid eyeliner, and you're just going to line your upper lid. You don't need to do a wing because we already have that wing effect, so there's no need to do that. So make sure that you just line the upper lid, and then you also need to take black stick liner and apply that to your bottom waterline. Then you're going to apply mascara to your top and bottom lashes, and you're going to go back in with that small packing brush, and you're going to apply the gold shade to your inner corners. You're going to connect your inner corner to your bottom lash line, connecting that gold to that gray, and then you're going to go from your inner corner and connect it to the top lid. So it's going to go from your top lid, inner corner, bottom lid. It's going to look like one wash of color all the way around the inside of your eye. And then you're going to apply your red lipstick, and that's it. So make sure that if you have any questions, you leave it in the comment section so that everyone can see your question, and then so everyone can see my answer.